Hey, thanks for the follow or raid. I am setting this up and then I gotta get this out of my hair. Also, I should probably change. I was just messing around. I didn't think this through. Yeah, it's actually there. Can you hear me, by the way? I don't know if I have this set up. I just did this like really quick. Thank you. Oh my god. Also, that was a really fun stream, Catway. Which side am I on? Here, whatever. I want to try and get it out first. Yeah, I just did it. I just measured it. I might have been behind on the stream. Ugh. What? Let me turn a different light on. Doop. Does that look better? Yeah, it's the worst. I need to actually brush it, and I wasn't ready for this, so I'm sorry. You guys want to see my cats? Deputy, move your head. I'll just move this. Ah! This thing's the worst. No, Deputy, you're impossible to see. There you go. Yeah. Deputy, look up here. Aww. Yeah, so I should probably watch this. Do you guys want to like listen to? Well, I don't know. I don't want to get DC'd. Oh, that doesn't really matter. I could put music on. Yeah, I need to get like a cat cam for the cats and just have that in the corner at all times. That'd be cool. I really need to get this out of my hair though. I am so screwed. It's so close to. I don't have to cut off like so much hair if this rips it. Thank you. 9 lives. Well, my baby still have 9 lives. Except for. I just ripped out so much! Oh, I love capybaras. Or capybaras? Capybara. How do you say it? Do you say capybara? I don't know. Yeah, aren't they cute? I really need to get this out of my hair so bad. I wonder if I can just like. No. I can rotate. I'm so stupid. I forgot I could rotate that. No, I wish there was somebody who could help me. It's the worst. Oh no. I've gotten it a little bit further though, right? It was closer before. Getting tired of holding my arms up. I'm trying to get this unstuck from my hair. Once I do that, I will start playing a game or anything really. Or we can just talk. But a game would probably be good. I have Stray. I haven't played that yet. I also got Outer Worlds the other day. The Bethesda game. And I haven't played that yet either. This thing hurts so bad. Do you want music or anything? I can put music on. Just for like while I'm doing this, you know? Or I can just put it on the background. That'd be fair too. Where's my... Oh. Well, somebody said that their hair was 19 inches long, and I was like, is that long? So I never measured mine before. I was like, that sounds pretty long because it's, more than a foot. So I measured mine because I was like, I didn't know how long 19 inches was. It just sounded big. So I was like, all right, well, how big is mine? It ended up being like 41 inches. Can you hear him purring? Probably not. I need a purr microphone. This is not working. Oh my god. Oh wait. Oh no, no, no. Yeah. I still have first playthrough. I guess it's my first playthrough of getting a tape measure out of my hair. It can be a speed run. I'm speed running getting a tape measure unstuck from my hair. I feel like so far I've got the world record. I lied. I've been doing this for a long time, it feels like, actually. I feel like even though it's not a thing yet, someone could beat me before I finish. Oh my god. Petting cat. You have to have two cats if you're going to do this speed run. I just put myself back at the top. If you don't pet your cat, how often should I have to pet the cat for a speed run of this? At least every minute. No, I'll forget. Oh no! Ah! No, definitely don't. My cat's attacking it. Definitely no. Definitely. All right, cool. I've trained her not to attack me anymore. Oh no, she's interested in it again. Oh, I thought she was going for it. Uh-oh. I made this stupid thing. It's like a cape for deputy. I actually just made it because I think it looks funny. It's like a doily on her back. I might just run this for the whole thing. The speed run isn't going anywhere. Oh, actually, I didn't even forget. Oh, yes. Still on track. Oh my god, did I find the end? Oh, I found the end. I found the end. If I can find the end, I got this. I think this is that all that's, oh, that's all that's not broken. I started off with so much more. I think I got some. All right, how much time did that take? That was pretty quick, actually, right? Oh my god. Oh, now I can actually measure it too. I'm gonna measure it the other way this time, though, I think. And maybe I brush it first too. Where'd my brush go? It really is, though. It was you. You're the one who lured me into getting stuck in my hair. I feel like it's only fair that you do it too. I do need to brush my hair though. 19 inches is really long though. I was like, man, 19 inches is so long for hair to be. But then it was just like, how long is mine? And I had this ruler on my desk actually. And this is what I first grabbed and I was like, oh, a ruler's not going to be enough, you know? Although maybe if I start at the bottom. So, the mic. Alright. If I start it down here. It's like 36. Alright. That's in the front. If I put it in the back, it's longer. Because now it has to go over top of my shoulder, you know? It's at like an angle. But 36 even, that's pretty long. 3 rulers. Alright, I'm gonna go grab my brush really quick. I have to find it. And then I'll brush my hair, and then I will play a game or something. I'm back. Should I put on music though? I feel bad for not putting on music or something. I wonder if it still looks... Does that still look okay? Yeah, it kind of looks okay, right? It almost adjusted to have better lighting that way. Oh, but now my stream looks kind of choppy. Does that still look okay? Ah! I gotta start lower. It's still so tangled. I forgot I was wearing this. I usually have like pajamas on at home. I guess maybe that doesn't sound great. Maybe that's not a good thing. Is it a good thing that I put on clothes for this instead of just wearing pajamas? That's a genuine question. Because I usually just wear pajamas and like I wouldn't think about... Both of my cats are staring at the tape measure. Look at how close they're staring. They're going for it. I wish that I could get a better angle of this. Is everybody seeing this? Is cat streaming a thing? Naked would be better. I wish I could do that on here. That'd be great. Are they gonna knock it off? Are they keeping it? Is it going off? It's off. I shouldn't do that. Then they're gonna get it stuck in my hair worse one day. Aren't they so cute? There's a third one too. Nightshade Randy. I don't know where Nightshade Randy's at though. I think I gotta feed that one. 1 second. Oh, there you are. What do you want? I'm back. They want to go outside. All my cats are like, well, actually, I guess technically the garage area, but all my cats are technically like outside, inside. They're cool. Although I do worry about them sometimes. But you know what's wild? I've run into my cats just like out in the middle of like pretty far from here, like 3 neighborhoods away. What's up, Barry? You heading out? I'm just getting comfy. I try to be like, so they'll go to the door and they want out, and they come like to the door whenever they want in. It is kind of a lot to go back and forth and like let them in and out though. It'd be so convenient if cats could open doors, but then also not. It'd be kind of annoying too. Okay. My hair is basically brushed. And how long did that take? That took probably a long time, right? How long was that? Like 15 minutes? No, no way. 7 minutes? Was it 7 minutes? I think it was 7 minutes. Am I right? Maybe. Okay. Now that I know that, should I play a game? Oh, and also, I guess I could, well, I mean, 36 inches we pretty much got, right? I'll do like an official measurement with this time. And keep the thing that could get stuck at the bottom. Almost 100. It's pretty long. Thank you. Aww. That's cute. All right. Maybe in case they come back. And it's not bad, right? That's fine. Except that you can see all my crap in the background. I guess that stuff doesn't matter.